Alright, this has been run for a few, I have tried starting it. And now we're going to reset the throttle. Make sure it's not on the choke. You always check. No, that's not quite up there. People on YouTube, if you ever have more like this, always to start the engine in fast. I apologize for using the throttle control. When I get this replaced with both new pieces or whatever, it'll have two levers. And this is the drive system. This connects to a handle. It changes gears in the transmission. This is the blade control. I don't think, can you see that okay? Blade control. It's kind of hard to focus it. I don't know why it doesn't like close-ups. Well, there we go. To engage, lower lever and push knob. To disengage, release lever. So let's see. Where's the throttle set at? Okay. So this time I'm going to put the camera where you can see the key. Where can you see the key? Nope. Well, that's okay. I'm going to put the handle down, sorry, so I can see. Here we go. Ow! First crank. Holy crap. See that? Holy cow. I guess charging the battery makes a difference, eh? The people on YouTube wondering what the battery's rated at, I'll tell you. Let's see here. I just gotta disconnect these. Alright. It is rated. Focus. Initial current. Sorry for me shaking. It is 12 volts, 7.2 amps hour, 20 per hour. I don't know what that means. Always recycle it. Rechargeable sealed lead acid battery. Okay, that's pretty cool. Ooh. Angle it. Oh, fuck. Sorry. There we go. Okay. Red to red, black to black. Or actually, this is a better way. No, that's loose terminal, so we put it the other way. It's a little bent. Let's see if I can bend it back. There we go. Always making videos. I'm going to make some more videos for YouTube. So that was my John Deere 14SC. One crank and it started. Wow! That's... Yeah, I guess having new fuel in the gas tank does make a difference. That's 89 octane from Shell. If you're wondering about a trimmer, about Echoes, they recommend 89. Well, my Homelight chainsaw, let's go in here. Where are you? Where are you? That's going. There it is. Chain's loose. Got to tighten it. Let's see how much gas it has. Yeah, not a heck of a lot. But I have fresh fuel. If I need to make mix, I will. Need to tighten the chain off, fix it up. I got that chain fixed. It was kind of tangled, so I fixed it. I need to tighten the chain. As you can see, it's dangerous to run it like that. Oops. Close up with the muffler. Primer knob. Choke. This is choke. So there you have it. Pretty cool. So you all have a good day. Oh, here's another battery. This battery is toast. I've charged this many times. Junk. I'm recycling it. Never throw out. Okay? Take care. Have a nice day.